So, let's begin by understanding what probing means in customer service. Probing is the process of asking follow-up questions to gather more details about a customer's concern. It helps agents understand the real issue and offer better solution. However, when done incorrectly, it can lead to frustration, misunderstandings, and also unresolved problems. And our group member is Adrian Jesus, and also myself, John Ray Vigorous, and Mark Ortiz.
Objectives: identify common mistakes agents make during probing. Understand why these errors affect communication and customer satisfaction. Learn techniques and best practices to avoid these mistakes.
So, let's begin by understanding what probing means in customer service. Probing is the process of asking follow-up questions to gather more details about a customer's concern. It helps agents understand the real issue and offer better solution. However, when done incorrectly, it can lead to frustration, misunderstandings, and also unresolved problems.
Common proving errors. Asking too many close-ended. Question limits the customer ability to provide detailed information. This can lead to missed opportunities for understanding their true needs. Interrupting the customer show a lack of patience and can make the customer feel undervalued and disrupt the flow of communication and may cause frustration. Using technical jargon confuses customer who may not familiar with industry term. Clear and simple language help ensure better understanding. Sounding robotic or scripted reduces the personal touch in a conversation. Customer responds better in natural, sincere communication.
Why these errors matter. Poor probing leads to unresolved issues. Without asking the right questions, agents may miss the root cause of the problem, leaving it unresolved. It makes the customer feel unheard. When agents don't dig deeper, customers feel like their concerns aren't fully understood or valued. Can result in repeated calls or complaints. Unresolved issues often force customers to call back, increasing frustration and workload. Hurts the company's image and customer retention. Poor experiences damage trust and can drive customers to competitors.
Now, to avoid common probing mistakes, here are some practical tips agents can follow. First is use open-ended questions. These types of questions allow customers to give more detailed answers, which helps agents understand the situation better. For example, instead of asking, "It is working now," you can ask, "Can you tell me what happens when you try to use it?" The next one is use simple and customer-friendly language. Avoid technical terms that may confuse the customer. Always try to explain things in a way they can easily understand. Then the third one is it's important to let the customer finish speaking. Interrupting them can make them feel disrespected or unheard. So, always listen first, then respond. And finally, agents should sound natural and emphatic, not like they're just reading a script. Speak with a calm and friendly tone to build trust and make the conversation more human. By applying these simple techniques, agents can improve their communication and create better experience for every customer they assist.
Best practices for proving. Practice active listening and take notes. Truly focus on what the customer is saying. Writing down important detail helps you remember and respond more accurately. Ask relevant follow-up questions. Show that you are engaged by asking questions that build on the customer response. This helps gather more useful information. Be patient and respectful. Give the customer time to speak out without rushing or cutting them off. Respect, build trust, and create a positive interaction. Adjust your tone based on the customer mood. Match your tone with how the customer feels, calm, beat, or empathetic, to make the customer more natural and comfortable.
In conclusion, Effective probing plays a huge role in resolving issues quickly and making customers feel valued. By avoiding these probing mistakes, agents can provide better service, improve satisfaction, and strengthen communication. With the right approach, we can reduce repeat calls and build stronger relationships with our customers.